Interview between man and woman. Sound assignment 003.
Hi, my name's Hannah and I'm an avid reader.
Avid. So Avid, is that a program of some sort?
I just meant I read a lot.
Oh, okay. I thought you mean the Avid editing program. Okay, okay, that's fine. Cool. So what books do you like to read then? And what is your favorite though?
My favorite book is one I read not too long ago called The Crossing, mainly because it really took me out of this world and I was able to escape within it for a while. And that's why I read. So, yeah.
So it took you out of this world. Are we going back to extraterrestrial beings, are we?
No, I just mean it's a form of escapism, I guess. I read mostly fantasy books for that reason, because they're more exciting, I guess, than real life.
Okay. Yeah, interesting. So with your favorite book, what makes you really interested in that book?
I think character development has always been a big thing for me for any story, whether it's on a screen or like whether I'm reading it. And uh, this book has superb character development. It's written beautifully and it's quite emotional as well, so you can feel really attached to the characters.
Well, thank you for having this interview today. And I will see you later on GM9 9410.